Hey, I'm Ryan from nocodenoproblem, and today I'm going to show you how to use a typing animation for your Doric site. So to get into it, you have your Doric site here. I just used a plain template. There's no template, it's just a plain site. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is add a new element, and you're going to go down to custom code. So you have this element here, and you can write the code there. The first thing you're going to need to do, though, is you're going to need to go under Site Settings, Advanced, and in the description of this video, I'm going to have this code here, and you're going to need to copy it and paste it into the header. So just like I did there, really simple. So once that's in there, then we can actually start adding this typography. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add script tag, then while I'm doing this, I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back.
365 days later.
All right, so it is typed up, and I'm going to have this in the video description as well, so you can play with it as you need to. So just to explain a little things, these strings, this is where the text is actually going to be. So let's change this to, this was something I was using for a previous site, but let's just change this for fun with gamers. And the eyes here with the brackets, this means it's going to italic this word. So if you don't want it to be italicized, you can easily get rid of that. Fun for, let's just say, friends. And then lastly, let's get rid of this here. Yeah, so, and then let's just change this to fun for, there we go, fun for, and the strong means it's bold. So strong for everyone, right? And then we have our type speed. This is how fast that it types it out. And then the back speed is how quickly it backspaces it. So it's in, I believe, milliseconds. So the lower the number is, the faster it'll be. So let's stick to like 100 for both. And then the loop means it basically resets and loops itself. Right now I have that at false. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Save, publish, boom. And there you can see it, boom. So you can obviously make it not loop. You can make it do all sorts of things. In terms of styling, you're going to need to do the styling in the header settings, not in the actual code itself. So here, let's add, if we want to make it bigger, let's add a header, right? So let's add H1, then close it at the end there. Then let's center it as well. So yeah. And I'll have all this in the description of this video for you to check out. So let's publish this and see what it looks like now. So as you can see now, it's a header and it is centered in the page. So that's how you can do the different styling. It's beautiful. So right now, since the loop is off, it'll just stop right there and do that. But if you want to, you can quickly go in here. You can make the loop true. So it does loop. You can also make it so the back speed is slower. So you can make that, 150. Or if you want it to type really fast, you can do a 40. And there's a number of things that you can do here. And this works for any website pretty much that you can embed code with a header and then an actual embedded component. I know platforms like Bubble and WordPress have plugins that you are able to do this for, and you don't really need to code anything. But if you're struggling or you need any help, join our Discord community, and I'm there, and I have some other team members there that are more than happy to help you. And in the meantime, good luck adding this to your site, and I'll see you next time on No Code, No Problem.